Dubious ones, welcome back to the channel for a very special unboxing video. Today we are unboxing our beautiful MAG 271QPX, the QD-OLED from MSI Arsenal Gaming. And it is literally the only reason I bought this one, because it's a beautiful 360 hertz variant of the 1440p monitor, is because it was the cheapest in my region. In your region, the Alienware variant, or the, forget the other guys, but there's three of them that are essentially the same monitor, and I basically just went with the one that was cheapest in my area in Canada here. So let's get to the unboxing here. So let's spin this bad boy around. Cut that open. And get to the good stuff. So, let's see here. Ooh, do I have this right? I believe I have this upside down, is that correct? It's quite possible, chat. So just give me a moment to flip this bad boy over. Ah, beautiful. There we go. Let's give you guys a shot of the front of the box. Beautiful stuff, is it not? Now, let's get into the meat of the presentation. Here we go. All right, so make sure we can get a shot of everything in here. Looks like we can see everything okay. So this looks like this is our stand right here. So let's cut open the tape. Well, that's some good tape they got on there. My box cutter doesn't like it. There we go. Get all that open. Perfect. Oh, we got more tape on the bottom. There we go. Of course, there's a little bit more tape. So, well, it doesn't want to rip off. There we go. And beautiful. Beautiful stuff. All right. So let's take a look-see here at our beautiful stand. So there we go. That is the arm of the beast. Beautiful stuff. Move that out of the way. And now we've got our, is this the display port? That is our display port cable right there. And we've got, what do we got here? Is this HDMI? I believe this should be an HDMI 2.1. Does it state on the bag? Oh, there we go. There's the certified Ultra HD right there, if we can see that. Get that in focus. There we go. Keeps blurring a little bit. My apologies for that. But that's our display port cables. And then we've got a little manual, little OLED quick start manual, beautiful QD OLED monitor, and then we've got some screws, for your, okay, so this is for the wall if you're doing a wall mounting, and of course our power cable, got the old power cable right there, and oh, this I believe is the base of the stand. Right here, let's open this bad boy up. Take a look, see. Because what I might have grabbed was the wall mount. Yeah, what I might have opened the first time might have been the wall mount. Let's see here. Nope, well, there you go. Now we got an easier access, maybe. There we go. All right, so there's the base of the stand. We can see here. There we go. Nice base to the stand. And, ooh, the good stuff is what lies beneath. Let's put this down here. All right. So we got all the cords out of the way. Now it's time for the beauty of this beast. Is it taped in here? I don't know how I like how they set that up. Oh, it's in between. I gotcha. I gotcha. So we got a box cut of this. Okay. Perfect. Get that out. And then we take off this bad boy. Ooh, and there it is. In all her glory. In all her glory. Can we get a good shot of that? All right. It's a beautiful panel. Ooh, I don't like that. Come on. Give me the monitor. All right. So this is that beautiful panel. Now, it's got a couple markings on it. I don't know if we can see that. But there's one if I look in the light right there. Hopefully we can smudge that off. But let's take a better look at this bad boy. Look at that. Beautiful stuff. Awesome. All right. Loving it. Now, let's move that back down there. But yeah, dubious ones. I hope you all enjoyed this very special unboxing of my brand new gaming monitor. Very, very excited for the new MSI Mag 27-inch QD-OLED 360 hertz refresh. There's no way my GPU can hit that at the moment, but we are waiting on that old 50 series. Hoping for those 5090s to come soon, but not too soon because this was already a big purchase. Anyways, dubious ones, thank you all for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Until then, deuces.